Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to optimize YouTube Shorts with vidIQ. Before we start, if you don't have a vidIQ account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to unlock premium vidIQ features for only $1 for your first month. It's the easiest way to test vidIQ on your own YouTube channel and follow this tutorial step by step. So first up, when you go ahead and go to the feed section of your vidIQ account, you'll be able to see your shorts from here. Okay, just go ahead and scroll down. And as you can see here, missing tags were suggested. So I go ahead and click on add tags. And after that, I connected my account. And once done, the tags are added in my shorts. Missing descriptions as well. I already did that. Okay, just like this one. Add missing description. You can click on show more. And here we have the description. You can click on publish description. It will automatically publish from your YouTube studio. Okay, so that's one on how to optimize your YouTube Shorts with vidIQ. So another option is when you go ahead over to optimize right here in the left panel and click on shorts. Okay, you can go ahead and click on one short. And as you can see, these titles, okay, got a mid score. This one got 84. So let's go ahead and fix this one, the latest short. Just wait for it and it will suggest you, okay, the titles. For example, right here, this one got 78 score. So let's go ahead and use it. Just click on it. It will automatically add it right here as well as some tags. You can click on save changes. Now go to SEO. As you can see, description is not available in this video. You can go ahead and click on generate. Okay. You can go ahead and add in keywords, for example, crypto safety, seed phrases, but this one is for the tags. Add as many tags as you can, generate, and here we have it. You can copy it, close this one, paste it right here. Now we have a description. Okay. Scroll down, add in some more tags, just like so. And then after that, all you got to do is just click on save changes. Click on review right here if you have the time. View the video. Here we have the feedback. Okay. Preview. So if you are on the viewer's end, would you watch your video or would you watch this video? Is the title or is the video format good? Okay, does it pop out? If yes, well, you're good to go. If not, fix it. Okay, and that's basically it. That is how you optimize YouTube Shorts with vidIQ. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.